What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight from a 3rd gen Ram. So to get at the bulbs you pretty much have to take the headlight out, or you could try to get through the fender access, but I'm going to show you how to take out the headlight, or maybe you're replacing the headlight, whatever it is. This video is on a headlight, so let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so obviously you're going to have to open your hood. Once you open the hood, you're going to see 2 bolts here. So they have a Torx in the middle or a 10 mil. So one here, one there. And then straight in there in this gap in the bumper, you're gonna see one more right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 3 bolts, and then I can show you guys how to pop this thing out. You're gonna just grab it and pull it straight towards you, and it'll pop out once you remove those 3 bolts. All right, and with a 1/4 inch ratchet, this is how I get at the other 10 mil that's in there. Like I said, just straight through that gap in the bumper and you can get it right there. And then you can use a magnet to grab the bolt if you want, once you loosen it. Okay, so here I'm gonna use the magnet to remove it, and then here I'm gonna remove this plug. All right, so once you're finished doing whatever you're doing to the headlight, in our case we're replacing the bulb, you're gonna go ahead, fit it back in, and make sure it's fully seated. There's the clip that's in this corner, so just make sure it seems like it goes all the way in. These are aftermarket ones, so I won't say that they fit perfect. And then you'll go ahead, you'll put your bolt in there, you'll put your other bolts in that you don't have anymore, and then you'll put the bolt back in here, and then the 3rd one down below. So this one is probably the most fun one to put in. So there's kind of a trick. You can actually put a piece of paper or electrical tape on it, but we're gonna just send it. So if you're lucky, which I hope I am right now and I don't drop my bolt, you can just go like that and screw it in. So I'm gonna snug them all down, make sure that the headlight looks lined up everywhere. This gap is a little bit bigger on these older vehicles, but it's kind of just the way they are. And we'll just tighten down all our bolts. She's in, and then last thing is you're gonna put your little push pin doohickey in there and push the center in. That's it. You're good. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, check out all my older videos, and make sure you subscribe because we got a lot more on the way. Thanks for watching. See you next one.